I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert JPEG drawing to Revit file. This is one drawing that somebody sent to me, and if you look at this drawing, this is in JPEG and it doesn't have dimension. So how can we convert this to Revit drawing now? Because there is no dimension and it's not in AutoCAD. If it is in AutoCAD, you can import it to Revit and continue from there. But right now it's in picture. It's like a picture. So how do you convert it to Revit and proceed so that you can work on it, you can model it? And that is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video now. So what I do is I will go to Revit, and in the insert tab, go to insert tab, and you will see image here. You will see image here. Click on this image and go to your folder where you downloaded that image to. Okay, so this is that image. I just downloaded it today from WhatsApp. So I'm going to select it and click open, and you can see the image is coming to Revit now, and I'm going to place it here. You can see the image here. It's coming as image into the Revit, and I will start my drawing now. The first thing I will do is to try to figure out the scale of this image. Since it's an image, it could be large and it could be tiny. So I need to figure out the scale of this drawing. And how can I figure it out? I will use the existing spaces to use in figuring it out. And I will use my wall, pick wall, and specifically the wall that is 225, and try to draw something here. I'll draw something here and try to have another one, maybe somewhere here. Let's say somewhere here. Now you can see that this is a room, and if I place my dimension to the wall I've just drawn now, a sensible person cannot design a room that is 1.8. So I have to make this one a minimum of, let's say, 3,600. Let's start from there. 3,600. You can see that the image is too small, so I'm going to enlarge the image a little bit. I will enlarge it, comparing it with what I've done now. I will enlarge it, continue to enlarge it. Okay, so we are coming up now. Okay, so it should be around this scale. It should be somewhere here. Let me enlarge it again. Let me enlarge it a little bit. Let me reduce it small. Okay, it should be within this range. Okay, then let's test this other room, this second room. Let's test that second room. This is a bedroom, and let's see what we can see in that bedroom. Okay, a bedroom cannot be 2,600 mm. At least a bedroom should be something like let's say 2,700. Let's assume this person made this room 2,700. So let's increase the scale a little bit. Let's increase the image a little bit. Okay, all right, that is that. Then let's try another. You don't work on only one space. Let's increase the scale a little bit. We have increased the image, and let's have another one. Let's test another side also for us to ascertain the scale of this image. We'll not use only one point, we use different points. Okay, so this is a toilet, and the width of this toilet should be, okay, let's assume the person made it 900. Let's say I go to this dining, I place my wall here and have another wall somewhere here. I have another wall somewhere here, and I place my dimension. What is it going to give me? Okay, it has given me 2,470. A dining that is 2,470 is not bad. So this is the scale. We are not too far from the scale. This is the scale now, so you can start working with this. Okay, and as you are working with it, you will use your architectural knowledge and experience to increase it or reduce it, though you may not get the exact thing the original person designed it, but you'll be very close to it and even be better than what the original person produced if you are good architecturally. Okay, so let's continue our modeling. The first thing I would do is to get my wall, and let me get my wall, and your wall must be 225. Let me use this particular wall. Ensure that your wall is 225 because everybody use at least 225 wall. So if you have placed your wall and it sits on the image properly like this, let's assume that this image is out of scale. Let's assume it's like this. You see that the proportion of the 225 to the image is different. Okay, so I'm going to undo that now. Okay, now if you look at the proportion of your own Revit wall and the wall on the image, they are very close. Okay, and that is leading. And let's produce another wall. Though you may not get the exact, but you get something similar, which will be okay with the client. And I'm going to create this. And by main looking, you should be able to know that this recess is not more than 600 okay, and we'll start using our initiative to add dimensions to all this stuff. Now we'll be modeling it one after the other and assigning dimension to it. based on our knowledge of architecture and what we are seeing on ground. Okay, so I select this wall and produce this wall, and I can extend this wall, that wall, and let me see what I can get from this room. Okay, this is 3.8, and for this toilet I have 975, which is not bad. And let me see what I can get in this room. Let me place another wall here, and let me add my dimension here. I have 2.8. It's not bad. Let's look at it. And though it's not architectural, but in Lagos we have rooms that are 2.7. And here I'm going to move this wall a little bit. Okay, and we now have 3,200 in this room, which is not bad. And I want to be sure that this should be 800. Is not good, so we have to make it. Then let's be sure of what we have in the toilet. 1.5. Okay, let's make it exactly 1.5. Okay, then this entrance here, let's use our architectural initiative to make it at least 1 meter. Having 900 here is not good, so we'll make it 1 meter. And we have can extend this wall, and have our door there. Okay, then we have kitchen here. We have kitchen and store there. Now let's assign something to this store. For this store, we have something like 900. We have something like 1,000. Let's say the person that designed it originally didn't design it well. We have to make some correction to it. We may not follow exactly what he did, but we want to get something that is close to what he did. I grab the wall and let me use trim to connect this to this, and let's check the size of that kitchen. Okay, the kitchen will have 2.4, and for this place we have 1.2, which is not bad. We have some kitchen that are like that, and let's have another wall, create similar. I have another wall here and have another wall here. And let's see what we can have here. 1.28, it's not bad. 1.628 is not bad. But what if we want to make this room more comfortable? If we want to make it more comfortable, then we can make this room 3 meters. And this toilet, we can make it 1,500 mm. And we are still within the range. Okay, then I can extend this wall and pick another wall here, then get another wall here and get another wall here. I'll get another wall here. I'll get another wall here and I'll start trimming it. I'm going to extend this wall and clean this place up. And I need another wall here. Need another wall here, and let's move that, and let's trim it. I can move. Okay, let's place our dimension to it and see. Let's make this one 900 and this one make it 900 as well. Give it architectural dimensions, and for this one let's make it 600 mm. Okay, and let's see. So I can extend this wall and I can have another wall here. I can have another wall here, and let's place our dimension here. This is visitors WC. The width should be minimum of 900 mm. Okay, and this is entrance porch, so I can extend this wall to here. and I can clean this place up like that, and can continue all this and can move this one, yes, somewhere there. Can copy this one and place this one there, have another one here, and have another one here, and we have an entrance here. For this entrance, whether the person design it well or not, it should be minimum of 900. These are basic architectural. Let's trim this and let's use extend. Okay, this one can go here, and this can go here, this will go here, and this will stop here. Okay, and can have another wall somewhere here, and let's place it on the image. Okay, and you can model your column and place it here where you have your dining, and let's separate this, and let's use now what do we have here? Okay, let's assume we have 1 meter here. Okay, we have 1 meter there, it's not bad. And inside that small store, what do we have? We have okay, let's make this wall 150 wall. Okay, and even though this wall can be 150 wall, can match property, can match property here, so that all this wall will be 150, and let this one be 900, and here we go. Let's place our dimension and see what we have. Okay, so if we have 1200 in this small store, it's not bad. And let's make this one 1200 also. Okay, at least we are still within the range. And place this one here, and let's see, this is an entrance to the living room, and that space should not be less than, supposed to be at least 1.2, supposed to be at least 1.2, but I don't know what the original person did. But if I'm the one designing this place, I will make it 1200. Okay, or maybe he made it 1 meter. Let's say he made it 1 meter, and let's see what 1 meter will give us. Okay, 1 meter is not bad. Okay, and that is that. And let's have our, let me select this wall and create similar. That wall is 150 mm, so that I use it to create this wardrobe. and use line and place my dimension. The dimension here should be 600 mm, and use extend. Okay, and now we have a small recess somewhere here. Have a small recess there. Can follow it, and let's select the same wall, have it somewhere here, and have it somewhere there. You can move this one to stay on the image of the wall you had before. If it's not okay before you think of the dimension you assign to it, and let's extend this one, let's extend that one, and let's extend this one. Let's use a split to cut this wall. Let's delete the inner segment and use extend to blend that place. Okay, that is that. Now let's check the size of our living room and our dining. Basically our living room is from here to here. Okay, 4.9 is not bad. We have a living room of 4.9. It's a sizable living room, and our dining is 2.6, which is not bad. Okay, and our bar is 1.4, which is also not bad. So I can split this one. Let's see if I'll work. And let's open this place up, and let's okay, and let's extend this one. Okay, and we need a wardrobe somewhere here. And let's let's assume that this room, let's make sure that the wardrobe is 600, minimum of 600, which is okay. Let's make the wardrobe 600 and see what will remain of the room. If I should make this wardrobe 600 now, what will remain of the room? The room remains 2.6. It's not a good one. It's not a good one. It's not a good one. So at this point, we can decide to do something a little bit. We can move the whole of this bit backward a little bit. Can use move to move it by 100 mm so that room will be 2.7. Okay, so this room is now 2.7. Okay, 2.7 is not bad and it's still within the same range. Okay, and let's use a split. Let's delete inner segment and now I can place my door now. Let's place our door, external door, and let's be sure that it's 1200. Let's edit it. This one 1200, okay, and place that one here and place that one here, and we need another one here, and let's make this one, duplicate it, make it 1 meter, 1 meter by 2.1. Click OK. Make the width 1 meter. Click OK and move it here and create similar. Let's place the one of 1 meter here, and I'm not going to finish this work, but you now have an understanding of what I'm doing now. If I zoom, I delete, or before I delete, let me label it so that, and let me select room label, and here I have sitting room, and I have entrance porch there, and we have ante room there, and we have bedroom, we have toilet, and we have toilet, we have bedroom, we have bedroom. I'm not going to finish that. Let's assume I remove this image now. You can see that you have your plan already, so it's a question of working on it and make it more professional. And I select all the walls and allow them to hit first floor. Let all the wall hit first floor. Click apply. Click OK. Okay, so all the walls are hitting the first floor now. So you take your time to work on it and clean it up. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and I believe your problem has been solved. See you in the next video. Bye.